Hello everyone, my name is Vaishnavi and I'm 21 years old. I am a management student and in my free time I love to study about neuroplasticity, subconscious reprogramming, nervous system regulation and changing and transforming our. So I am someone who grew up with very limiting beliefs around money, scarcity mindset and lack of opportunities, money, success, growth. But as I got to know about neuroplasticity and how your beliefs create your reality, and how the 3D reality is a simulation of our most um, okay. So I got to know about neuroplasticity, which is your brain is plastic and you can change your inner world in order to change your outer world 3D circumstances. So always had this label around my identity that I am too insecure, I am shy, I'm underconfident, or I cannot communicate properly. So I used to identify myself as I cannot do this, I'm not deserving of success, or people like me cannot have successful life, cannot grow in life, and I am just who I am and I cannot change myself and all that shit. But I decided to change my beliefs because I got to know that your beliefs create your reality and not the other way around. So, in this video, I am going to help you all. I'm going to talk about how I reprogrammed my subconscious and my nervous system to break all the survival patterns and lack and scarcity mindset to grow and to transform myself, my identity, and my life. I'm going to talk about the steps which I personally used to successfully reprogram my beliefs and my nervous system to. The first one is using affirmations or your new beliefs in theta state. So what I used to do is, for example, I wrote down all my old beliefs. For example, I am not worthy, I'm not deserving of success. Or I wrote all the limiting beliefs on a paper, and then I wrote exactly opposite of those old beliefs in new piece of paper to reprogram all those new beliefs. What you need to do is, so your brain is in theta state during meditation, and the moment you open your eyes when you wake up, and 5 to 10 minutes before you go to sleep. These are the three states where your mind is in theta state, and I want you to integrate those beliefs into your mind with emotion to reprogram your subconscious. And if you add emotion to it, it will be easier, it will be a lot easier for your subconscious to integrate that new belief in your subconscious mind. And the second thing is EFT tapping. EFT has been one of the most important and interesting, and it helped me so much in adapting to the new beliefs, because I used to get a lot of fear and resistance while reprogramming. So I did EFT tapping. EFT tapping is basically, it helps your nervous system to adapt those new beliefs and feels safe and familiar in those new beliefs. And the third one is conscious reprogramming and belief embodiment. So this is the most important step, because I want you, what I want you to do is, throughout the day, whenever you come across any limiting belief, I want you to catch and just observe it. Do not try to fight it. Just say, okay, Ashit, that's the limiting belief. That's a limiting belief, and I want to not believe it. Just don't believe it. Catch it, label it as old belief, old identity belief, and I want you to focus on the exact opposite belief and repeat it in your mind. Even though it feels fake, initially it will, but eventually through repetition you will adapt to it, and your brain will take it as a new familiar and as a new belief, as a new you. So I want you to catch it, label it, and then take a deep breath in that new belief. For example, if you come across a situation, if you're trying to reprogram your subconscious around money, okay. For example, if you want to reprogram your belief around money, let's say if you want to if you have a limiting belief that money is scarce and money is not abundant, I want you to write exactly opposite as I am abundant and money flows to me effortlessly, easily. And I want you to believe that you're abundant at the core. Your brain will make a new neural pathway around that new belief, and your new neural pathway will become dominant, and your old pathway will weaken. And it won't take much time, but through regular repetition, you'll be able to form new and dominant neural pathway in month, like in a month or two, neural pathways around your new beliefs, but only if you choose to show up every day in that new belief. And I want you to not give up. I know it is a little difficult at times, because when your 3D shows you the exact opposite of your new belief, it is sometimes difficult to actually believe the new one. But I want you to not give up, and trust me, it is doable and it is worth it. After you have installed new beliefs, after you have reprogrammed your nervous system around those new and familiar beliefs, I want you to embody the new identity, and your identity is basically your beliefs, your nervous system, thermostat, and your thoughts and your emotions, and that is what makes your whole identity. So you can practice new identity, but without subconscious reprogramming, without a nervous system regulation, it is so difficult and you'll keep falling back to that old pattern. So I want you to take this step by step, and I need you to first regulate your nervous system. I'll make one video about how to regulate your nervous system and how I did it. And then I want you to reprogram your subconscious mind. I want you to be aware of your thoughts and emotions, about how you feel, how do you identify yourself with. I want you to do these exact steps, and trust me, you're gonna transform like this. Give yourself 6 months of repetition, of repeatedly doing these things, and watch your life transform. Watch how you show up as how you show up for yourself does matter. And take that identity. You can shift timelines like this. It won't even take time if you're so much determined to do it. If you feel small, if you feel like, oh, I'm broke, I'm this, I'm that, I want you to think that no, that's my old reality. I am a millionaire. I am a millionaire. Tell yourself this every day. I am a millionaire. Act like her. Talk like her. Be confident like her. Show up like her. Make videos like her. What does she do? She would walk. She would study. She would read books instead of scrolling for hours and thinking about next step. She wouldn't be in her head all the time. She would act on her ideas. She would not think that, oh, what if I fail? She's not scared of failure. I want you to behave like her. If it feels very tough to take decision like her, because I know I've been there, I want you to trick your subconscious through small repeated actions. For example, the time she wake up, the time your new identity uh, would eat breakfast, the way she sits, like this, her posture, the way she eats her food, the way she enjoys her time with family, friends. She wouldn't hurt herself. She wouldn't overthink. Visualize her in your meditation and then act like her. Act like her is how would she sit? How would she dress up at home? How would she drink her chai? How confident would she be? What would she think she's capable of? And I want you to do all the things that she would do without scarcity, without focusing on outcome, because she is so certain that she knows her manifestation is coming. She knows that she's deserving, she's worthy of everything because she has put the work into herself. She has done the hard work. She has done the things. She has changed her beliefs. She has changed the way she looks at world. She has regulated her nervous system. And yes, I want you to behave and act like her and see your life changes. Come to me and tell me in the comments that what topic you wanna hear from me next, like how I regulated my nervous system. You want me to make a video on how I regulated my nervous system? Because let me tell you, I was most anxious child since childhood. I used to have anxiety over everything. I was nossophobic. I had developed this survival patterns since childhood, and I have broken all the patterns in the span of 1 year, and it was not very easy. It was difficult, but it was doable because I could do it, so anybody could do it. Just trust yourself and let me know if you all want that video of how I did my neural pruning of those old survival patterns and how I developed those new neural pathways around abundance, around creativity, around confidence, how I let go of fear, control, and uncertainty. If you want, please subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments that you want to hear from me. Love you. Bye bye.